In today's world, radio frequency industrial remote control systems are used to operate and monitor equipment from a distance, enhancing safety, efficiency, and convenience. Not only that, remote control will eliminate the need for lengthy copper wires required to create an electrical link between a control switch that is installed locally and its corresponding equipment installed at a remote location, thereby drastically reducing costs and eliminating clunkiness in wiring. RF Solutions Limited UK is the solution to solving your wireless connectivity needs. I am the projects and products lead at Suchnetcom Limited, Nigeria. You are invited to view our presentation titled RIoT Wireless Monitoring. Stay tuned.
RF Solutions started in a bedroom in Lewes many years ago. We moved a couple of times since, and in 2014 we moved to our new facility here in Burgess Hill, which is 20,000 square feet. It's purposely designed for our manufacturing requirements. RF Solutions sell to many different customers. We sell to design engineers